welcome to this episode. Today, we're diving into something really interesting: why AI, despite being so powerful, often struggles when we try to use it in the real world.
Yeah, it's kind of a paradox, isn't it? I can write essays, generate code, answer questions almost like a human. But then when you actually put it to work, it can be unreliable.
Exactly. And that's because AI models are probabilistic. They don't always give the same answer for the same question. It's like a brilliant artist who sometimes paints a masterpiece, and sometimes something a bit strange.
Right. So being smart doesn't mean being dependable. And that's where traditional software engineering falls short. Usually software behaves predictably, same input, same output.
But with AI, the output can change depending on context, and what counts as correct isn't always clear. It's not just right or wrong anymore. It's about whether it's good enough for the situation.
And that leads to new kinds of problems, like hallucinations, when AI confidently makes up answers that sound right but aren't, or inconsistency, where it gives different answers to the same question.
Those aren't bugs you can just fix by changing code. They come from how the AI model works, the data it sees, and the context it's in.
So instead of traditional testing, we need evaluation. That means measuring how often AI is right, where it fails, and how serious those failures are.
But most teams just try a few examples and hope for the best. That's not engineering, it's experimenting.
And that's why AI systems often look great in demos but fail in real use. They miss the last mile, things like system design, monitoring, fallback plans, and human oversight.
Which brings us to AI engineering, a new discipline focused on building AI systems that are reliable, safe, and useful in the real world.
It's not just about smarter models or clever prompts. It's about designing whole systems, evaluating them properly, and making sure humans can trust and interact with them.
And this matters now because AI is everywhere, growing fast, and the risks are real. Just like software engineering became essential for programming, AI engineering is becoming essential for AI.
So we don't lack intelligence anymore. We lack structure. AI engineering is the discipline that turns AI's power into something we can actually rely on.
Well said. Thanks for listening.